Hello guys, come back with me Bundan Giri Yudayana. I'm a student at University of Veteran Bangun Nusantara Sukoharjo, Faculty of Social and Political Science, Communication Science Study Program. COVID-19 development in Wonogiri. Coronavirus disease 2019 or commonly abbreviated as COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by SARS-CoV-2, a type of coronavirus. People with COVID-19 can experience fever, dry coughs, and difficult breathing. Until now, there is no known cause of the coronavirus, but it is known that this virus is spread by animal and is capable of transmitting from one species to another, including humans. It is known that the coronavirus originated from the city of Wuhan in China and appeared in December 2019. Yes, the infection is spread from one person to another through droplets from the respiratory tract that are often produced when coughing or sneezing. The droplets range is usually up to 1 meter. Droplets can stick to objects, but they won't stay in the air for long. The time from exposure to the virus to the onset of clinical symptoms was 1 to 14 days with a mean of 5 days. So, people who are sick are required to wear a mask to minimize the spread of droplets. COVID-19 cases in Wonogiri continue to increase. This is the information I got from the Wonogiri Health Office. COVID-19 monitoring data from Wonogiri Regency. Confirmed. Number 1. Hospital is 147 cases. Number 2. Self-isolation 51 cases. Number 3. Recover from illness 1,708 cases. Number 4. Death 79 cases. The next. Suspect. Number 1. Hospitalist 21 cases. Number 2. Self-isolation 0 cases. Number 3. Recover from illness 137 cases. Death 46. The difference between confirmation and suspect. Confirmation. A person who tests positive for the COVID-19 virus as evidenced by an RT-PCR laboratory examination. Confirmation cases are divided into two, namely, number 1. Confirmatory case with symptoms. Number 2. Asymptomatic confirmatory case. The next. Suspect. Number 1. Case of acute respiratory infections in which in the history of the disease within 14 days before being sick. The person concerned lives in an area local transmission has occurred. Number 2. In the last 14 days, I had contact with a confirmed positive case or contact with a probable case. Contact in this case is close contact within less than 1 meter without protection for more than half an hour. Number 3. People with severe respiratory infection or pneumonia requiring hospitalization and no other cause based on a conclusive clinical picture. PCR report for Wonogiri district. Sample size 14,007 cases. Negative result 12,005 cases or 85.71%. Positive result 1,354 cases or 9.67%. On process 648 cases or 4.62%.